We're working on this fantastic block of Syrah called Cadables, after the volcano on which it is grown. And the idea today is to remove the excess shoots in order to facilitate the pruning later on. Gather those shoots and in a few weeks' time come back and burn the shoots and return both carbon and potassium to the ground as a natural fertilizer. So it's dead easy. You just go along and pull away the upper part of the shoots, and makes a nice little bundle. And then later on we'll come back and we'll do what we call Cordon de Royat, which is a spur pruning, two-bud spur pruning. And like so, always the spur facing towards the sky. Here we go. Here at our estate we try to stick to a two-bud per spur pruning, allowing space between the spurs. Here, for example, it's a bit too cramped, so here we go. Now we have the right spacing, and keep doing it. 1, 2 buds, 1, 2 buds, and 1, 2 buds. Et voilà! Here we have a nice Cordon de Royat, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, between 6 and 7 spurs per vine. That should give us roughly 30 to 35 hectoliters per hectare, which is what we expect to make our fine wines. And that's all there is to it, really. Try to leave enough space between the spurs to allow air and sunlight into the vines, and keep our disease pressure at bay or as low as possible, and produce fine wines.